How we help patients lose 30 to 50 pounds for real. You're not losing weight because you don't care. You're not losing weight because you've been doing the wrong thing. This is how my patients drop 30 to 50 pounds and keep it off. It's not about starving yourself. It's not about working out 7 days a week. It's not even about willpower. I can't lie. Skinny talk got me in a chokehold, and I am learning a lot from others. And I also take back what I know as an obesity medicine specialist and what I'm learning as someone who is also struggling with my own weight release journey. My patients lose weight because, one, they get the right medications for their body. So if you're interested in the GLP-1s, you have two options. You have the tirzepatides and the semaglutide. Tirzepatides are more effective. You lose more weight. Simple as that. Two, they get monthly medical check-ins, not TikTok hacks. So what they do is if something's not working, they let the medical doctor know it's not working. I need something else. Let's try to go up on a dose or whatever. Three, we talk about protein, gut health, hydration, stress, sleep, all of it. All of it needs to be optimized, not just the medications. And most importantly, we need to build a program around their real life, not some fantasy influencer routine. If you can't get to the gym to get your 10,000 steps in, try to get 3,000 steps today, 5,000 steps tomorrow. Move your body. If you got small kids, lift the kids for your strength training. I lost over 30 pounds myself using GLP-1 meds. As someone with PCOS, stress, twin 4-year-olds, building a business in 0 time, this worked when nothing else did. This is how I'm choosing to lose my weight. This is evidence-based weight care, not vibes. All right. So comment real if you're tired of guessing and you're ready to get a legit plan. We'll DM you what's working right now for our patients.